Guangzhou Jingjitang Pharmaceutical Company, Limited, a century-old inheritance of dedication and enlightenment, opens a new era of skincare for pharmaceutical companies with 230 years of accumulation. Jingjitang has always taken the concept of dedication and cultivation, and extended the rigorous spirit of pharmaceuticals to the field of cosmetics, and further explored in the fields of cosmetics R&D/production/sales, OEM/ODM and other fields, injecting new vitality into the beauty industry. Driven by scientific research, to break through the construction of an innovative product system, Jingjitang Cosmetics Research Institute brings together the world's top experts in medicine, dermatology and other fields, adheres to the scientific pharmaceutical concept, focuses on the field of efficacy skincare, and is based on the strong scientific and technological accumulation of GPHL. Break through every technical barrier and inherit the centuries-old palace skincare secrets. Kufang Zinian selects the world's high-quality formula raw materials, uses modern high-tech extraction technology, and develops ecological system domestic cosmetics, covering shampoo/skincare products/cream essence, facial masks and other categories. Jingjitang has a number of self-developed products, which have been recognized as high-tech products in Guangdong province, and won a number of patented formulas and invention patents, providing customers with a strong scientific research backing. Taking technology as the engine to help high-quality products, Jingjitang Cosmetics Factory is equipped with a dust-free purification workshop of 100,000 level GMP pharmaceutical standards, advanced automatic production equipment, and efficient operation of diversified production lines to fully meet the needs of customers for mass production. The whole process of plastic source production process, from production to finished product delivery. Jingjitang strictly controls every production link, and creates high-efficiency and high-quality products with ingenuity. Looking forward to the future, focusing on market trends, Jingjitang is upright and innovative, always satisfying customer needs as the marketing starting point, giving full play to Jingjitang's strong own advantages, and insisting on the sales of main products and cosmetics OEM as the leading direction. Strive to realize one product and 3 regulations, consolidate the marketing foundation, focus on brand new, strengthen service innovation, and continuously develop new markets. Guangyao Jingjitang has always been committed to becoming a well-known skincare brand in China, opening a new era of skincare for pharmaceutical companies, and leading a new career in beauty.